Ladies and gentlemen, welcome in Youth Robotics Open Days. Today we're going to explain you about 4.0, what it really means for us and how we adopt data in our business. Today everything is about data, and we are in this place to define how our machines are connecting you to information about your production. So this is one of the most important parts of our workshop, for sure the most popular. And I'm going to introduce my colleague, Emily Sivien. She will explain about this part of the process. Emily?
Hi everyone, so welcome to the bench test in Unista company. So here you'll find every major equipment that you're going to find in the machine. So this is the bench test where we implement and test everything before we include them inside the machine. So you're going to find on all the machine already included this XN module for remote access, all the motion components. So here is servo drive. And you're going to find like the main brain of the machine. So this is the PLC and its companion for the life, which is Synology. PLC is the main brain of the whole machine, and we are going to use it for this 4.0 tools that we want to introduce for you today. So PLC is the part that is working for process machine, but also for data analysis. So with this PLC, the goal is to use the OPC-UA communication, which is like international communication protocol, and we're going to use it to enable data to come to you like really easily. So our PLC is like OPC-UA server. So on this server, like many clients can connect and have accessibility to all variables that are available on it. So as you can see here on the screen, I have like this screen, which is a client of this PLC, and I have like more than 20,000 variables already available on this server. And every client can connect and read this variable or write on this variable, depending on the statute, to check and have information from this. So when you are connected to our server as a client, then you have this data all available, and so you can use it with your own system. But we also have like a full system for data analysis, which is PACOS, and we are working with the Elabo for this data analysis, and I will leave you to the Elabo video for you to see and how it works with the data analysis and how we can use the data over the 4.0 industry.